Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back. So today I'm back with an unboxing of a Ninja 650 radiator guard or a grill. So this one of my subscriber has sent me. So he has a Ninja 650. So yesterday this item has got delivered and he has sent me to make an unboxing and put it in my channel. So thank you so much Rahul for sending this video. Hope you guys have seen in my other videos also. Last time we made a video of buying a Ninja 650 and the same guy has sent me this product also. He's one of my subscriber and a friend, very good friend of mine. So let's do the unboxing of this and let me show you the product, how it's gonna look. He has bought it from AliExpress. So this is the product which he has ordered and he sent me the link also. This is for Kawasaki Z650 Z650 2017-18 model, Ninja 650 and same Ninja 650 2017 and 18 model. So this is a black radiator grill or a radiator guard which he has ordered. This is available in green and red also. He has a Kawasaki green, Ninja green model bike. So he has bought a black color radiator guard. So let's begin the unboxing. And I really like to thank you guys. Because of you, I have reached 57,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for your love and support. And do check out my other channels and help me in uploading more and more videos, guys. So let's begin the unboxing. So this is the package which we have got, and let me open the package. So this is how it's gonna look. We just take the camera a little front. So this is how the Ninja 650 radiator guard gonna look. So the finishing wise, this is really premium and good. So shortly I'll be making a installation video also, and this is not just a sticker over here. This is carving, I think, over here. So it's a laser cut which they have made and it's really nice. And you have got 4 set of screws and clip over here. So it comes with one radiator guard, 4 set of screws, and then like this is kind of a sealant tape, I think, to prevent I don't know what actually this is. So I'll come to know once we do the installation. So that's it, guys. This was quick unboxing video of this radiator guard for Ninja. Hope you guys like this, and any questions regarding this, let me know in the comment section, so I'll be answering you. And this costed 1,200 rupees, and which includes shipping charge also. So that's it. The radiator guard is must and should for all the bikes. Like coming to these high-end bikes, most of the time you can't just keep on cleaning when you go for a long ride and all. So do install a radiator guard, and it's very useful. So he has ordered one for CBR 150 also. Shortly it will be getting delivered, and we will be making an unboxing of that too. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. As I said, it's just a quick unboxing video, and later I'm gonna show you the installation video also. Catch you in my next videos. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.